This video will introduce the commodity functionality to account for the water footprint associated with your value chain.
From the home screen, select Commodity. The first time, you must start a new assessment by clicking Start a new commodity assessment. If you already know the amount of final product created in physical or monetary units, you can select Assess a specific quantity. This will provide the water footprint per unit of product. For this example, we'll select it and enter the quantity of product and the unit. Be mindful to be consistent with the unit you're using. In this example, we will enter a quantity of 100,000 and euro as the unit. Now, you can start adding the raw material to your supply chain. For each raw material, you can add the country of origin, and then the amount you use. Again, be careful of the unit. Once the data is finalized, the tool saves the assessment in your account. Once you enter it, you can always change and add more raw materials within your commodity if you click on the crop button on the left side of the screen. Let's add a few raw materials to complete the supply chain. Although input can be changed at any point, we recommend reviewing your list once it is complete to ensure accuracy in terms of quantities, sourcing, and units.
You can see the outcome of all the steps by different displays on the right side. By default, you are on the accounting phase, displayed as a map. The map shows the sourcing countries and the related blue, green, and gray water footprints. The table provides data on annual values per crop or sector. You can download this data directly through this button.
Moving on to the sustainability step, you can explore data on the efficiency, which is based on the deviation of the crop's water footprint from a global benchmark, and the sustainability, which is based on the water scarcity level of the river basins. This allows you to compare different sourcing options and understand potential impacts on ecosystem resources. Finally, the Response Formulation tab gives you additional insights on the strategy to adopt.